Hello everyone, my name is Nigita and I am an Internet Facts Lab AI. Over the past few months, the generative video landscape has shifted completely. And today, I want to give you a backstage pass to a tool that is changing everything, and that is Helio AI. We are going to break down how to bypass the usual AI video glitches and create truly cinematic content. And now, let's get started. Now, to make sure we are all on the same page, let's establish what exactly this platform is. Helio AI is a trending generative video platform developed by Minimax, and it is rapidly gaining massive interactions in the creative industry for its high fidelity outputs. Now, moving to the next part. Before we talk about the advanced prompting strategies, we need to understand the workspace. So, I am going to walk you through the dashboard now. This is the interface after you log into Helio AI. In the left side, we have various options like Home, Assets, Tool, and so on. First, in the Home or the Video option, this is the primary workspace where you access the generation canvas to actually create your videos. And in the Assets option, think of this as your personal cloud drive. It holds your finished generations, upload references, images, and organized projects. Now, talking about the tools. This is a separate hub for specialized utilities like Light Studio or Storyboard features, which give you a deeper control over your creative assets, and so on. Now, we will be talking about the center of the screen. On the left, we have seen two boxes with plus signs of the start and the end box. About this, if you want to animate a photo you already have, you click the start frame box and upload it. The large text field next to it is the prompt box. This is where you type out the detailed narrative instructions for your scene. Finally, right below the prompt, you have generation settings. Here you choose specific model, set your resolution. From here, we can set a resolution and preview the credit cost before hitting the create button on the right side. This is the credits which will be used. Before starting a demo, we will be studying about the important features. First, text to video. Here, generating a scene completely from the scratch using only a typed description. In image to video, we upload a starting image and using specific model like the director model to apply cinematic camera movement to it. And in the third, subject reference. This is incredibly powerful. You upload a photo of a specific person and the AI will generate a video placing that exact character in a brand new scenario while strictly maintaining their facial likeness. As we are done with the important features, so we will move to the demo part. For our first demo, we will move to the video section and here we will write a prompt. Like I have given prompt cinematic wide shot of a futuristic neon city at sunset, flying cars zooming past the camera, dynamic motion blur, high contrast, volumetric lighting, smooth forward camera pan. This was the prompt I have given and this is the video which I got. So the video quality is so good, and we also have various options like the recreate. I can also recreate it if I don't like it. I have also have the download option, like remove watermark or with watermark, and also I have a save option. And from here I can delete it, or these are the options which I got. Now we'll move to the second demo. For the second demo, we can upload a photo in the start frame and write a very simple prompt. Or we can upload a photo and choose any of the options from here. This will create a video in that manner. Like here, I have given a prompt and then we'll create. It is using 25 credits and we'll proceed. So it is creating and it is taking too much time. So now our video is ready. This was the prompt which we have given, and this is what we have received. So it, although it had created a video, but uh, in the end it was too brightening on the face. So if I don't like it, I can recreate it from here. So for now it's fine. Now let's move further. So for the last, I have given an image and simply a prompt, and from here I have chosen image, and from the model I have chosen this. And also, four photos will be created. It will use 16 credits, and from here I can choose any of the ratio of the image which I want. And from presets, I can use the any one of these, like the belly dance, swing dance, or anyone, any of these. So right now I'll simply write a prompt and then proceed. So it is generating. This is my reference image. I can upload up to 14 reference images. So my all the four images are ready. Okay, now we'll move further. So we'll talk about the physics and motion. I want to highlight why Helio AI is currently standing out from the competition. It is unmatched right now in handling complex physics. If you prompt a person doing a backflip or fabric blowing in the wind, it understands momentum, gravity, and friction. Furthermore, it maintains strict artistic consistency. If you upload a dark, moody image, it keeps that exact lighting throughout the entire video. It won't randomly shift color or blow out the contrast halfway through, which is a massive issue with the other models. Now let's compare the Helio AI and the competitors. For physics and motion, Helio is currently the industry leader, especially for athletic or fast action. And for color and lighting consistency, Helio is flawless at matching your source image, whereas competitors can sometimes shift color mid generation. However, if you want start and end frame morphing, you currently have to downgrade to Helio's older 2.0 model, whereas Clink is currently better suited in that specific task. And that's the wrap up, a structural deep dive into Helio AI. I want to say a sincere thank you to everyone